Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a monthly reset, just kind of getting my life together. I have an entire list on my phone of everything that I want to do. Mostly cleaning, some self-care, kind of like mental organization as well. I have a whole bunch of things I want to do to just kind of get organized, get my life together. Definitely let me know what you guys like to do when you do a monthly reset. Productive vlogs or these types of videos are probably like my favorite videos to watch on YouTube personally, because they just motivate me to clean and get organized, get my life together. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and find it motivating. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Please comment below some videos you'd like to see for the summertime. I kind of posted like a little poll on my Instagram story and also here on YouTube. I'd love to know like what videos you'd like to see on my channel here this summer, just like some of your favorite videos to watch, some videos maybe that I've done in the past that you'd like to see again, just any video requests. I would love to know. I'm kind of planning out content for May, for June. I'd love to know what you guys would like to see. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. I'm super close to 200K here on YouTube. It would be so awesome to hit 200,000 maybe by like the summer. I don't know, that's like a pretty big goal. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into this monthly reset. First, I'm gonna start with the cleaning. I feel like my apartment is just very messy and it really needs a good clean. So I'm gonna start there. I feel like that's like the biggest task of this video, and I always like to start with the biggest task first. Everything else just seems easier. I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna put my bedding in the wash and get that going. Just kind of work through the rest of my to-do list. Let's get started. Time for some new nails. I've had these pastel yellow chrome nails for the last 3 to 4 weeks. A new month is perfect time for some fresh new nails. I think I'm gonna do these nails. I've had them saved on my Pinterest and I think they're so cute. I love the blue French with the chrome and kind of like a pink base, I'm thinking. Let's go. How cute. They'll definitely look better when I have a fresh self-tan. My self-tan like really needs redone. It's super patchy. My hands are looking like super pale. They look so cute. I'm just gonna go home and finish up some more things that I want to do for the monthly reset. It took a while yesterday, but my apartment is looking so clean. Literally, I'm so glad I took the time to do that. There is one thing I didn't get to, and that is cleaning my makeup brushes. I hate when they just feel dirty, like when I'm applying my makeup and I feel like I'm just applying leftover makeup on my brushes. I didn't get to that yesterday, so I'm just gonna wash all my makeup brushes. I love the feeling of fresh, clean makeup brushes, so that is like the perfect thing to include in your monthly reset. My apartment is clean, my makeup brushes are clean, my nails are done. The next thing on my to-do list is a little self-care, applying some self-tan, getting my nails done, which I already did, doing some skincare, just kind of like doing a mini glow up. I can feel confident and fresh going into the month ahead. Starting off with the skincare, I'm just gonna do my basic skincare routine and remove my makeup. anything too crazy, but my skincare is done. Now I'm just gonna get in the shower and remove all of my self-tan. It's just looking very patchy, especially like on my hands, on my arms. I have a bunch of fashion content to film. I just want a fresh self-tan. I'm gonna exfoliate all of this off and apply a fresh new self-tan. I actually just got this new one during the Sephora sale that I haven't used yet. This one you have to leave on for 6 to 8 hours. I think I'm just gonna sleep in it and then I'll rinse it off tomorrow morning. It's this Luxe Unfiltered 36 tanning mousse. Hopefully it looks good because I have a bunch of stuff to film. I always feel so glowing confident when I have a fresh self-tan. Self-tanning is an essential part of my monthly reset, or honestly my weekly reset. Let's just do the self-tan. I'm out of the shower. I exfoliated all the self-tan off. I'm looking nice and pale, ready for the self-tan. I like to wait just a little bit before applying the self-tan. In the meantime, I'm actually going to tint my brows. I did this in my spring reset video, but I feel like it's time to touch them up. I'm gonna be using this Just for Men beard dye in the shade medium brown. This is so easy. I just like to leave it on for 4 minutes. That literally took less than 5 minutes, and here is what my brows look like now after tinting them. They're just like a little bit darker. I feel like I can just do a little brow gel and I don't have to like fill them in. Now it's time for the self-tan. I have multiple self-tanning videos on my channel, so I'll just link my most recent one here. I'm just gonna apply this off camera and I'll show you guys kind of like a before and after. Usually I just use like the Loving Tan mitts and then sometimes like a fluffy brush for like my neck and chest. Here is the before, looking pale. Here is the tan. I think it looks really good. I'm excited to see what it looks like after developing and rinsing it off. My first impression is that it smells really good. It has a really, really nice smell, unlike any other self-tan that I use. The color looks really nice. Self-tans have like a weird kind of undertone, like they're too green or they're too orange, but this one looks like it has a really good color. So I'm excited to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna keep it on for the rest of the evening and sleep in it. Good morning. It is the next day. Here is what the tan looks like. I think it looks natural, but it still has like a good color. I'll definitely be using this tan again. You do have to leave it on for at least 8 hours, so I feel like it's a good tan to sleep in, not as much like to just like leave on in the morning and like rinse off or something. Just rinse this off, washed my hair. I'm gonna do a blowout with my Dyson, and I also did these little under eye gels. I was gonna do like a whole face mask, but honestly, I always get nervous doing a face mask because I don't wanna like break my skin out. My skin's doing good right now. Later, I actually just filmed a try on haul. Since my fake tan was fresh, my hair was looking good. There's one last thing I want to do for my monthly reset, and that is getting mentally organized, doing some planning, getting my calendar together for the month of May. Also kind of doing some planning for the summertime. I have some ideas for some content for the summer that I just want to get into my calendar so I can kind of have that in there. I actually just booked a trip for the summer. I want to get those dates in my calendar. I also want to plan out some short form content. Just kind of want to get mentally organized, take some time to just kind of look at my calendar, update my Notion, and just get mentally organized for the upcoming month. I'm actually gonna start by doing a brain dump. I love this little notebook from Papier. I got this for Christmas and it's so cute. I love, 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 love their stationery. It's cute and it's just like really good quality. I'm just gonna write down a list in here of just a bunch of stuff that I wanna get done, a bunch of ideas, content ideas, things that I need to do, things that I need to add to my calendar. I'm just gonna write down like all of the different things that is going through my brain basically, and then I'll kind of work through that list of like adding things to my calendar, editing different things, scheduling out time to do that. Brain dump is done. I wrote down kind of all the things that I want to get done. The next step is actually working on the list. The main thing that I want to do is just kind of get my calendar organized. I kind of don't use my desktop computer very much, like this one right here. It's too slow to edit on. I thought it would be really nice for organizing my calendar, organizing my Notion. Later, I think think I got everything on my list done. I feel so much more organized going into the month of May. My apartment is clean. My calendar is organized. I feel like I have a plan and like mentally organized. I feel physically put together. I just feel so much better going into the month ahead. I feel like I have my life together. I just love doing a good monthly reset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspo if you need to get your life together and get organized. Definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed and if you'd like to see more of these videos on my channel. Comment below something you like to do to get organized and get your life together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.